So it has come to pass that South Africa today undergoes her rebirth, cleansed of a horrible past, matured from a tentative beginning, and reaching out to the future with confidence.
Before 1994, Black people had something the system feared: unity, creativity, and Black power. We built for ourselves, by ourselves, because we knew no government was coming to save us. But after 1994, we were blindsided and we gave it all away. Welcome to Inkarhi, it's time. I'm Gondos, and here we'll talk about the real issues keeping us trapped, and more importantly, the solution to set us free. Today, we are unpacking a hard truth. No political party is coming to rescue us. Not the ANC, not the EFF, not the MKP, not even Floyd Shivambu's Maibuye movement. If we don't wake up now, we'll keep voting ourselves into deeper poverty while the leaders feast. Before 1994, we didn't wait for anyone. We knew the apartheid government was sent for us, so we created stokvels, community businesses, and co-ops. We taught each other skills. We worked the land. That was real empowerment because it was ours. Post-1994, we were sold the dream that the ANC will take care of us. We abandoned our unity, our creativity, and our power. The result? Black economic empowerment failed. It didn't free the masses. It just created a small black elite while millions stayed unemployed and poor. Look around today. Political parties are mushrooming everywhere. Leaders split from the ANC, form a new party, promise change, but the real goal, access to state resources for themselves. And the voters, they stay exactly where they are, or worse. We must open our eyes. The truth is, self-reliance is our only hope. That means starting our own businesses, even small ones, training and employing our own people, supporting each other's ventures like our lives depend on it, because they do. Here at Inkarhi Lifestyle Hub in Malamulele, we are proving it's possible. We are building a rural development model that trains, employs, and empowers previously disadvantaged people without waiting for a politician's permission.
It's been 20 years since, with South Africans equal before the law regardless of their race, creed, sex, or religion. But has the Constitution achieved its objectives over the last 2 decades?
It has not achieved what it was set out to be. There's a lot of amendments that needs to take place.
In particular around the land issue, I think that is a bit of debate. We need to take the kind of anger out of the debate and see what we can do to ensure that meaningful change takes place.
There's nothing that I can say it has changed. It's just getting worse.
It gives everybody their rights, keeps that all in check. And I think everyone's quite proud of the Constitution. It's quite an achievement.
20 years right now and we still have no free education. Our rights aren't equal because of the money factor. You know, our people are poor. We're still living in the shacks.
It's time to take back what we lost. No party, no president, no manifesto is coming to save us. We are the leaders we've been waiting for. Start something today. No matter how small, support a black-owned business, teach a skill, build a cooperative, and if you believe in this vision, join the Inkarhi movement. Today, we can rebuild our unity, our creativity, and our black power. Subscribe to Inkarhi, it's time. Share this video, and let's make self-reliance the new revolution.